Social Media Best Practices for Food Brands. Welcome to our SFPM guide on social media best practices for food brands. We help food businesses grow their food brands. We will delve into detailed descriptions and strategies that will help elevate your brand's presence on social platforms. Join us as we uncover valuable insights and tips to enhance your media game in the food industry. As a food navigating the dynamic landscape of social media, crafting captivating and elaborated descriptions is essential for engaging your audience and driving meaningful interactions. By infusing your posts with detailed and enticing descriptions, you can create a sensory experience that resonates with your followers and entices them to explore your brand further. Visual content. Visual content plays a pivotal role in capturing the attention of users on social media platforms. When pairing your captivating imagery with thoughtful and descriptive captions, you have the power to transport your audience into the world of your brand. You're stirring their emotions and igniting their desire to engage with your products. Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining a strong presence on social media. By establishing a cohesive tone and style in your descriptions across different platforms, you can reinforce your brand identity and build a following that resonates with your values and messaging. Incorporate storytelling. Incorporating storytelling into your social media posts can transform mundane descriptions into compelling narratives that captivate your audience. Use personal anecdotes, behind-the-scenes insights, and stories into your descriptions. You can forge authentic connections with your followers and distinguish your brand in a crowded digital space. Hashtags. Strategic use of hashtags can significantly boost the visibility of your social media posts and expand your reach to a broader audience. By incorporating relevant and trending hashtags into your descriptions, you can amplify the discoverability of your content and gain new followers who share a passion for food and culinary experience. Engage and interact. Give. Engagement is a two-way street on social media, and responding to comments, messages, and feedback in a timely and personalized manner is crucial for nurturing relationships with your audience. By fostering a sense of community and dialogue through your descriptions, you can create a welcoming environment that encourages interaction and loyalty. Key metric analyses. Analyzing the performance of your social media posts through metrics and analytics can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of your descriptions and content strategy. By monitoring key metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, and audience demographics, you can refine your approach and optimize your descriptions for maximum impact. As we wrap up our guide on social media best practices for food brands, remember this. Crafting elaborated descriptions is not just about words, it's about creating immersive experiences that resonate with your audience on a deep, emotional level. By incorporating these tips and strategies into your social media strategy, you can elevate your brand's presence and stand out in the competitive world of food marketing. Need help with your social media? Don't struggle alone. Contact us at 236-513-2488 for complimentary template.